Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I have a pretty special video for you guys. I found a 1990 Hyundai Sonata with only 78,000 original miles on it. Many of you are already familiar with the all-new 2011 Sonata, this particular one being a limited. This video is also going to double as like a tribute to Hyundai's great strides they made over the past 20 years in pretty much overhauling the car company, improving design, features list, reliability, pretty much everything you could think of about the cars. This Sonata probably being one of the most dramatic redesigns of them all. Quick look at it, so you can compare it to the Sonata of 20 years ago. And for a full in-depth review and tour in this vehicle, just check out my channel. Everything from heated seats to Bluetooth and navigation technology. Absolutely amazing. And today I'm at Bob Mayberry Hyundai in Monroe, North Carolina. And this is going to be a full, in-depth tour of the Sonata. Start it up, show the engine. So I'll show a few of the features on the interior as well as exterior. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up, let it run. The Sonata was built to directly compete with the Toyota Camry and Honda Accord back in the day. Back then it was praised as being one of the better value cars you could buy on the market. It's got a 5-speed manual transmission. Starts up perfectly. All Sonatas also came standard with the electronic seat belts. I'll go ahead and put it down for now. Reverse. Got your power mirror controls, and cut on the headlights, as well as the hazards. It's got an automatic driver's side window. And we'll check out the exterior. It's got glass headlamps. It's in just phenomenal shape for its age. This particular model is known as the GLS trim. There were 4 different trim levels, I believe: the GL, the GL V6, the GLS, and the GLS V6. And we'll go ahead and pop the hood. This particular one has the 2.4 liter inline 4-cylinder. She's got a tiny little belt sweep, needs to be greased. Horsepower ratings are 116 horsepower at 4,500 RPM and 142 pound-feet of torque at 3,500 RPM. Fuel tank capacity is about 15.9 gallons, and the fuel economy rating for the manual transmission is 18 city, 26 highway with an average of about 21. If my memory serves me correct, this engine was built with licensing by Mitsubishi, but it was equipped with Hyundai's electronic multi-port fuel injection. Very clean. It's got power everything, trunk release, full manual driver's seat with manual lumbar, it's also got a tilt steering wheel, and we'll see how it sounds. Definitely a really good sounding car. Air conditioning, ice cold, different zones. AM/FM cassette player.
Next to her, I put your picture away. Sat down and cried today. I can't look at every time I look in the mirror. All these lines in my face getting erased. Consider me a smiling and old photograph. Someone who used to make you laugh. And I live my words with you, Jesus.
All right. And we'll go ahead and shut it off. Pop the fuel cap. Here's the original window sticker. Came with practically every option available. 21, 28. Like I said, it's got the deluxe AM/FM stereo, has 6 speakers, air conditioning, power sliding glass sunroof. The total retail price is $14,074. Very nice, comfortable seats. Both the sides fold down. It's amazing the progress in 20 years. And check out the trunk. Fairly decent size. Manual passenger seat. Alright, go ahead and move it back to its spot. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the full in-depth tour on the 1990 Hyundai Sonata. Be sure to stay tuned next time. There's a lot more where that came from. Take care everybody.